Yo, what's good YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back in the music lab and I hitting and smashing up. Bang, know people. You see what we're dealing with today. Yeah man, Dan Mafia, Dan family, you see what we deal with today. We're in the music lab with an artist that's no stranger to the channel. Yeah man, we there with the vendetta boss himself, the man himself. Who may I talk about? Yeah man, I talk about Alkaline. Yeah man, and apparently yesterday or day or two ago, him drop a new song, a new visualizer entitled If Dem Eva. And it's been taking over all over social media and YouTube and everything, cause people speculating that you must send shots at this artist, this artist, So we're gonna see what going, cause we say him send shots at man like Massacre and Squash and the Six. So we definitely check it out and see what going. See if people just a chatter and see if the song bad, you know what I'm saying? But yeah man, you don't know, Alkaline is no shame channel, very talented dancer artist. We don't have to go over the vendetta boss and tell him, cause we're supposed to know that already. But yeah man guys, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and like and subscribe and turn on post notification bell so you get my video as soon as I upload. Trust me, you don't want to miss up. The vibes and energy over here is unmatched. You trust me, you don't want to miss up. But yeah man, today we're going to check out Alkaline, If Dem Eva. Let's get it.
If them ever kill that brother. If them ever.
This one asks, which brother? If them ever kill which brother? Who is he talking about?
That dead. Try no. If them ever. Are the world famous? Top killer the status. Drum slapping, flesh tear up. Body pile runs up.
Okay, when some bones some fresh tear up. One buckley, hold on.
Tear up, body pile runs up.
Man, I gotta tell you this, I want you exactly what I'm going.
Are the world famous? Top killer the status. Boom slapping, flesh tear up. Body pile runs up. Rub out them get erased up. Score a bullet and make it. Shot a bus like cannon. Put his sparks in a one hand. Pity for nobody, me no got it, so we murder.
That's a world class killer, world class status. Yo.
I saw we got long. How we lucky place, which warrant? Kawa. If them ever.
I say how we lucky place, which warrant? Let's get.
If them ever.
No, it must say if them, you know. It didn't say one person, more than one person. Yeah, but one person say if him.
If them ever. Anyhow, but wise, them I get feel out weight. On the trail roll alone, badness to the death. Gun in my jeans, simple car we never fret. So take with the inch, take to nothing, figure stop a breath.
Say badness, car we never fret. So take with the inch, take. Hey, easy no man. Hey, hold on the dog, cause Alka, wanna see me can get who them shots I get seal at, you know dog.
Anyhow, but wise, them I get feel out weight. On the trail roll alone, badness to the death. Gun in my jeans, simple car we never fret. So take with the inch, take to nothing, figure stop a breath.
Say badness to the death. So hey, so already take with the inch, take. I want to know.
If them want me go, tell them forward with me. If I that them want, tell them forward for me. Wait till up late, alright with me. That I dealt with.
Hola the dog.
Nothing figure stop a breath. If them want me go, tell them forward with me. If I that them want, tell them forward for me.
If I that them want. Yo. I say if I that them want, just forward with me. Let's see me. Yo, and if I date the want, just forward for me.
Wait till up late, alright with me. That I dealt with. All them I pray, 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 and I pray, and I pray. All them I play, them I play, them I play, and I play, and I play, and I play, and I play. Then the days. If them ever kill that brother. If them ever. We made the Reaper look saint. Granny here and faint. In fact,
make a Reaper look saint. Hey, Granny here and faint. Hey, easy no man.
I'm a complain. Get your grill rearranged. Yeah, we have gun like range. Style wish pie get paid. Don't afraid for boss that in a.
Yeah, man, say we have gun like range. Style wish part, you get paint. Easy.
Chasing our rips that know the world that bury in a hole and get dumped like a whole trash. Man, one business that time flood that.
Bury in a hole and get dumped like whole trash. Be ever sell for you. We might
get grades plus tax.
Grains plus tax,
If
like
them
a
ever,
ration.
if them ever kill that brother. If them ever, that dead.
Damn, which brother dog? Which brother dog? If they ever kill which brother? When a Alkaline friend, if you ever kill him, what? Somebody send a trick to Alkaline virgin. You see me and him say, yo, if they ever kill the brother, you're no dead. Yeah, that's a one. Cause I'm not getting it, bro. Man say if them ever kill that brother, cause that's the only reason I come out and say if you ever kill the somebody, dog, just murder and just walk and murder everything. You see me? So who man talk, dog? The man say, yo, go on, me make the Reaper look like saint, make your granny here and faint. Tell you, man. Yeah, man say world class killer. The man say mash up hey. I need to know who this man talking about. I low-key want to play this shit again, bro. Can I play it again, guys? I low-key want to play this shit again. Because I still didn't get I'll play it again real quick. Let's get it.
If them ever kill that brother. If them ever, that dead. Try no.
Who am I talk, dog? If them ever, that dead. Try no.
If them ever. If them ever, are the world famous? Top killer, the status. Drum slapping, flesh tear up, body pack.
Are the world class? Are the world class kill? What I say? You say are the world class? Bombard, I want to me dog. My brain on work or something. Man say the world class. Top killer, the status. Yo, something and you get your brain bust. Dog, why am I not remembering lyrics?
Right. If them ever, are the world famous? Top killer, the status. Drum slapping, flesh tear up, body.
Are the world class? Are the world famous? Top killer, the status. The man said, door machine, flesh tear up. Finally, bro, what the hell is wrong with my brain lately, bro? But that's hard.
The pile runs up. Rub out them get erased. Score a bullet and make it.
Rub out them get erased.
Put his sparks in a one hand. Pity for nobody, me no got it, so we murder.
Shut a bus like cannon. Sparks in a one hand. Pity for somebody, me no got it.
I saw we got long. How we lucky place, which warrant?
We lucky place, which warrant?
If them ever,
I know.
If them ever, that dead. If them ever, If them ever. Anyhow, but twice, them I get feel out wait. On the trail roll alone, and badness to the dead.
Say, but twice, them no get feel out wait. Panic killer alone. Hey! Panic trailer, a killer. What?
Going in my jeans, simple car, we never fret. So take with the inch, take no nothing for go stop a breath.
Yo, Tio.
Take no nothing for go stop a breath. If the in simple car, we never fret. So take with the inch, take no nothing for go stop a breath.
Say, gun in our jeans, simple for we take a break. So, hey! So take with the inch, take.
My jeans, simple car, we never fret. So take with the inch, take no nothing for go stop a breath. If them want me go, tell them.
Gun in our jeans, car we never fret. He say, yo, soul tech with the inch tech and nothing for stop a breath.
Forward with me.
What's going on, my brain?
Tell them forward for me. Wait till up late. Alright,
you say that the one just forward with me. If I that the one just forward for me, and you see what I go on.
That I dealt with. All them I pray, 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 and I pray, and I pray. All them I play, them I play, them I play, and I play, and I play, and I play, and I play. If them ever kill that brother.
Which brother are them talking about? If them ever kill that brother. That's like, yo, if I kill the somebody and the somebody get out of way, man, we come those. Yeah, so, oh, man, if you know what I'm talking about.
If them ever, we made the Reaper look sane. Granny here and pain. Informer complain, get a green.
Yeah, that. We make you look a Reaper look saint. Grammy here and faint. A big lyrics that you know what the Reaper is, bro? Make your Reaper look like saint. Come on, man.
Rearrange. Yeah, we have gone like range. Stylish part get paid. Don't afraid for boss starting.
Stylish part, we got gone like range. Stylish part, get paint. Hey, you talk about style of paint, my paint.
Rips that know the world. Bury in a wall and get dumped like a vulture. Man, one business that
like cold trash. Behave yourself.
If them ever kill that brother. If them ever, that dead.
That dead. If they ever kill that brother, that dead. Hey, them dead. Easy now, man. Alkaline, I said a warning to them, to whom it may concern. Because I don't know who exactly, you know, because I don't hear no very descriptive. We point out anybody specifically. You know what I'm saying? But if you don't know exactly who that are, I know in the comment section, you know, because come like say your war go kick off. Come like war go kick off, I'm there for it, you know. You don't know, you know. Yeah, man, we're there for the war, we're there for the enjoyment, we're there for the experiment. So people may know what I think in the comment section. Yeah, man, let me know what I think who he's talking about and who is directed to watch your favorite part of the lyrics, whatever. Waiting for a video. You know what I'm saying? This is the visual, so hopefully you drop a video soon. But yeah, man, let me know what's your favorite part in the comment section and let me know who you think he's talking about. Or if it's multiple people, let me know. You know, because a lot of people say it's Mazingas, some say it's Squads, some say so let me know in the comment section. I will definitely check it out. Or is he talking about cartel? If they kill cartel in a jail? If them ever kill that brother, them dead because I'm going to take over. That's a one. Hey, I don't know no man. I don't know what's going on. Because this is so many speculation. So many things going off in my brain. Let me know in the comment section. I don't know. It's a boy Jambisco. I was here now. Hit on a smash and a banger. Till next time, guys. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And the mom.